Hi, I'm Dr. Pamela MacPherson. Happy New Year, everybody. I am a prosthodontist, which means I am a dentist who specializes in full mouth rehabilitations, which includes crowns, bridges, dentures, implant crowns and bridges as well. We are the only specialty that really includes cosmetic dentistry. We see patients with all types of dental needs, from single fillings to full mouth rehabilitations for aesthetics or cosmetic needs. We also can treat patients with very complex cases. So if they're missing a lot of teeth or have very badly broken down and worn down teeth, we can take care of them. We like to make sure that our patients are fully educated on what's going on in their mouths so that they know what all their treatment options are, and whether it be for cosmetic reasons, veneers, or fillings, and just regular cleaning. And we help our patients who do have some fear, who are fearful of the dentist. We offer them oral sedation. Also, we offer nitrous oxide or laughing gas to help them feel comfortable in the chair while we're treating them. We help coordinate patient care with other offices as needed, and we work closely with other specialists. We do our best to make the patients feel comfortable, and we treat them like our family. So we welcome you to our office here at Center for Dental Restorations, and we hope to see you soon.